Hello, dear followers. Today we're going to learn how to make delicious and easy chocolate cupcakes, just like you see in the video. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and support us so we can keep bringing you more enjoyable recipes. First, we begin with 1 egg. Add 1 cup of sugar and mix the ingredients thoroughly. It's best to use an electric mixer rather than a manual one, as it speeds up the process and gives you a smooth, homogeneous mixture. Once the ingredients are well combined and creamy, add 1 cup of oil and mix until the oil is fully incorporated. Next, add 1 cup of milk and a spoonful of instant coffee. This will give the mixture a unique and delightful flavour. Continue mixing until everything is well combined. Then add cocoa powder to the mixture and make sure it's blended well with a little flour to prevent clumping and achieve a rich chocolate colour. Now it's time to add the all-purpose flour to the mixture. Mix the flour until you get a smooth, consistent batter. If you like, you can add small pieces of chocolate to the batter for extra flavour and a delicious touch. Once the batter is ready, pour it into cupcake liners placed in a baking tray. Fill each liner with the batter up to about 2/3 full. Then sprinkle a few chocolate chips on top. Place the tray in a preheated oven at 180°C, 350°, and bake for 20 to 25 minutes until the cupcakes are cooked through and golden. To achieve the best results with your chocolate cupcakes, follow these tips. 1. Use fresh ingredients. Ensure that your eggs, milk, and oil are fresh for the best flavour and texture. 2. Measure accurately. Use precise measuring cups and spoons to balance the ingredients correctly and achieve the ideal texture. 3. Mix ingredients. Well. Blend the eggs and sugar until creamy, then slowly add oil and milk, mixing thoroughly. 4. Prevent cocoa clumping. Mix the cocoa powder with the flour before adding it to the mixture to avoid clumps. 5. Room temperature ingredients. Make sure all ingredients such as milk and oil are at room temperature for a smooth batter. 6. Preheat the oven. Heat the oven to 180°C, 350°C before baking to ensure even cooking and perfect results. 7. Avoid opening the oven frequently. Don't open the oven door often while baking to maintain the temperature and proper rise of the cupcakes. 8. Cool completely. Allow the cupcakes to cool on a rack before serving or decorating to maintain their texture and flavour. When the cupcakes are done, let them cool slightly. You'll end up with delicious and visually appealing chocolate cupcakes that both kids and adults will love. You can serve them warm or cold with a cup of tea or coffee as a tasty snack or breakfast treat. I hope you find the recipe helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.